Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In a simple video, I'm gonna show you how to edit green screen using CapCut apps. Alright, so select new project and select your green screen video. For example, okay. So this is the green screen video that I have, and then to edit the green screen, you are just going to remove the background, which is the green screen. Just click cut out and select chroma key and select the green color just for intensity, and then just for shadow. Let's click check mark. So add the new clip. You can select the video, or you can select photos. So make the green screen as an overlay. Select overlay. So you can see and just move it, and I'm going to crop. Okay, and then as you can see, this is the final effect.
By the end of the video.
Why?
Alright, and I'm going to edit the second clip, and here we go.
Why? I just don't get it. I always can.
Yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.